Today's video, I'm teaching you how to make perfect puff puff. Puff puff wey no get oil inside. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. I'm starting up with about 2.5 to 3 cups of flour. I just add it in the bowl, and then next I'm going to be adding half cup of sugar on it. Puff puff is one of the best street food you will find in Nigeria. Next, I went in with my dry yeast. You can as well mix your yeast with warm water before you add it in the flour, but I like mixing my ingredients dry. Next, I'm going to be adding cup of water, warm water, like let me say lukewarm water, and then I'll start mixing it gently. Try to add water bit by bit. If you notice, I did not use milk, dry milk or liquid milk, because when you're mixing puff puff, it doesn't need milk. If you add milk on your puff puff, it's not going to come out nice. Unlike buns, if you add milk in your buns, it's still going to look beautiful the way you want it to be. But when you are doing puff puff, milk is not needed. So as you can see, I added my water bit by bit. I mix it up until I get the texture I really wanted. If you mix your puff puff very well, this is how it's going to look. Next, I'm going to cover it for about 40 to 45 minutes. So I left it to sit for about 55 minutes because I was a bit busy with something else. This is how it looks. If you really mix it very well, this is how it's going to come out. So next, I'm going to start the frying process. So next, I'll start to deep fry the puff puff. I left the oil in the stove. Once the oil got heated, I reduced the heat of the stove. So if you're frying your puff puff or you're frying buns, remember you don't need too much heat when you are frying puff puff. Reduce the heat of the stove so that your puff puff will come out nice. So guys, look how beautiful it looks. It really came out nice, just the way I want it. If you're still watching this video up to this point, thank you so much for your time watching my videos. Thank you for those beautiful comments you keep dropping. Next, I'm just going to place it in a tissue paper and allow it to cool down a little bit. Your puff puff is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. Soft at the outside and also soft in the inside. If you look at this puff puff closely, there is no oil inside of it. So guys, let me know what you think about this puff puff recipe in the comment section. If you are going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.